Hey YouTube, this is K2 Karama and we are unboxing Nature Box.
This is our first Nature Box of full size. The first one was a sample box that they send you for free, and it was still pretty big to begin with, but this is pretty cool. We got to choose the snacks that we wanted to come in, and we put on our list pistachio power clusters, honey Dijon pretzels, dark chocolate pretzel pops, PB&J granola, and golden apple tea biscuits. So that's what we have in here. It's just some information, but pistachio power clusters, nut squares with almonds, cashews, and pistachios, and the honey Dijon pretzels, just mustard flavored pretzel bites, and dark chocolate pretzel pops. They're just chocolate covered pretzels, but they're limited edition, so that's kind of cool. PB&J granola, peanut butter granola with dried fruit, and golden apple tea biscuits, apple mini cookies. I'm going to open this one. The other ones look good too, but we just ate, so. And it smells good. It smells like apple pie.
I'm kind of like cookies.
Yeah, like biscuits. Like English biscuits. They're a little bit dry, but they'd be really awesome with some tea, actually. But that's our Nature Box. And it's pretty cool. There's quite a bit in here. You got 5 ounces of the pretzels, 3 ounces of the pistachios, 3 3/4 ounces of the pretzel pops. Got 5 ounces of the granola and 4 ounces of the biscuits. So got a pretty good amount of stuff. It'll probably last a little while. And that's all for this box.
Like and subscribe.